here. Well, it's just because here is my home.
여기가 홈스윗홈이야?
Yeah. Because from now on, I can't find my.
이건 뭐야 이거?
Oh, it's a crossbow. I can draw. Yeah, but I don't know how to draw. How to draw, Mom?
No.
Okay, I'm just going to. Yeah, I also made a sheet.
깜짝이야. 이거 왜 찌르는 거야?
To wake up.
누가 살아?
No, I just saw some people walking their llama here. Up here somewhere. Wait, let me stand.
재밌어?
Yeah. Oops.